What if I told you people are making over $10,000 a month on YouTube without showing their face, recording a video, or even talking on camera? Crazy, right? But it's real. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how they do it. Using AI to build full YouTube channels that make money on autopilot. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share the AI tools I use to automate 80% of the process. Alright, let's start with the foundation. Your niche, because if you get this wrong, nothing else matters. You need something people are obsessed with, but not drowning in competition. You want hype meets opportunity. Here's what consistently wins: luxury lifestyles, AI tools, money and productivity hacks, celebrity drama, and mysterious stories. These topics never die. They're what we call evergreen content. Always relevant, always in demand. But here's the trick. Don't just chase what's trending. Mix it with what you actually enjoy. If you like tech, go for AI Gadgets Explained. If you're into storytelling, go for Unsolved Mysteries or Celebrity Scandals. That personal interest helps your creativity shine through, even in a faceless channel. Now, before locking it in, do your homework. Go on YouTube and study the top 5 channels in your niche. Look at their thumbnails, their tone, their pacing. What do they do right? Where do they slip? That's your blueprint, but never copy. You want to add your flavor. And here's a little AI secret. You can ask ChatGPT or Notion AI, "Give me profitable YouTube niches with low competition." It'll hand you a list. Then you just mix trends with your personal touch. So, if you were to start your own faceless channel right now, what niche would you choose? Drop it in the comments. I want to see how creative you can get. Now that you've got your niche locked in, it's time to make your ideas viral. And that starts with your script. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Your script is what keeps people watching. This is where faceless channels either blow up or flop. Most people think I can just spit out a viral script and boom, done. Nope. I can help you, but it can't feel for you. And that's what makes great scripts viral. Emotion, rhythm, flow. When you write, make it sound like you're talking to a friend. Short sentences, real words, no robotic stuff. Add a little personality. Throw in some humor, suspense, even a question or two. Think about your own YouTube habits. How long do you stay before clicking away? 10 seconds? Maybe less. So your first 20 seconds need to slap. Start with something that shocks people, makes them pause. Once you hook them, don't slow down. Keep a rhythm. Every sentence should pull them toward the next one. Drop small rehooks. You don't want your viewer to feel like they're watching a lecture. They should feel like they're inside a story. So before you move on, tell me in the comments, what part of YouTube creation gives you the most headache? Writing, editing, or getting clicks? I actually read them, and your answers might be the idea for my next video. And by the way, if you struggle with script writing, my next video covers how to make viral faceless scripts using ChatGPT prompts. Don't miss it. Okay, your script's ready. Now let's make it sound like a real YouTuber, without ever recording your voice. This is where AI starts doing the heavy lifting. AI voice tools are insane right now. 11 Labs, Play.ht, and Speechify can make your script sound like a real human being. Sometimes even better than one. You can pick the tone, too. Calm storyteller, confident business voice, or mysterious narrator. But don't just hit generate and walk away. Add a human touch. Adjust pacing. Emphasize important words. and leave little pauses where emotion needs to breathe. You want it to sound natural, not robotic. Next, visuals. This is where AI has made things ridiculously easy. Tools like Pictory, Runway, ML, and Descript can turn your script into a full video. Just paste your text, pick your voice, and boom! AI finds matching clips automatically. But here's where the pros stand out. They don't settle for auto. They go in, replace clips, tweak timing, add subtle zooms, and fix the flow. That's how you turn an AI video into something worth watching. And if you really want that professional look, use CapCut or Premiere Pro for finishing touches. Throw in motion effects, transitions, and, super important, background music. Music sets your emotions. Use mysterious tracks for storytelling, energetic ones for productivity, and chill beats for finance or luxury niches. Keep watching, because what's coming next could be the game changer you've been waiting for. If you want me to make a full tutorial on these AI tools, step by step, drop a yes in the comments. Alright, your video's ready. But none of it matters unless people actually click it. So let's fix that next. Thumbnails and titles decide if your video flies or flops. This is where your click-through rate lives or dies. You can make a masterpiece of a video, but if your thumbnail and title flop, no one ever sees it. Thumbnails are your first handshake with the audience. They should scream emotion, curiosity, shock, excitement. Use contrast, light text on dark backgrounds or vice versa. If your niche allows it, use faces that express emotion. Humans are wired to react to faces. You can create killer thumbnails with Canva, Photoshop, or even AI image tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. Experiment with 3 to 4 variations and see which one feels like it grabs your attention instantly. Now, let's talk titles. This is where most people ruin their videos. Your title should sound like a conversation, not a headline. How to make money with AI sounds flat, but I let AI run my YouTube channel. Here's what happened. Sounds human. It sparks curiosity and emotion. Also, use SEO to your advantage. Tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy can tell you which keywords are trending. Slip those keywords naturally into your title and description. YouTube's algorithm loves context. Here's a small pro move. After you upload, study your analytics. Look for the videos that get the highest click-through rate and longest watch time. Then ask, what made those titles or thumbnails work? Double down on that style. Because YouTube isn't about luck. It's about testing, tweaking, and repeating until you find your formula. If you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm show this to more creators like you. Now that your channel looks professional, let's talk about the part everyone cares about: how to make real money from it. This is where your hard work turns into income. You've got your niche, your scripts, your visuals, and your thumbnails. Now it's time to turn all that effort into cash. Once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. That's where you start earning from ads. But trust me, that's just the warm-up. The real money? It's in diversification. Affiliate marketing is huge. If your videos are about tech, link the products you mention. If your niche is finance, add referral links to apps or tools. Even with a few hundred views, you can make a real income. Then there's sponsorships. Once you start getting traction, brands will pay you just to mention them, even for 10 seconds. You can even reach out to them yourself once you've built consistent numbers. But the ultimate goal? Scaling. This is how people turn one small, faceless channel into a full-on empire. Once one channel starts running smoothly, use AI and freelancers to build another. You can literally have multiple channels across different niches, all working while you sleep. That's why they call them cash cow channels. And yes, AI can help automate 80% of the process. But here's what separates the winners from the dreamers: consistency. You can have every AI tool, every hack, every shortcut, but if you don't upload, analyze, and improve, your channel dies. So here's my advice. Stop waiting for perfect. Just start. Upload your first video. Learn from it. Adjust, upload again. Every YouTuber you admire today started with a shaky first video. The only difference is they didn't quit. AI has leveled the playing field. You don't need expensive gear, a big personality, or a fancy studio. You just need to take the first step. Because the truth is, your faceless AI channel might be the next big thing everyone's talking about a month from now. So, are you going to keep scrolling? Or are you finally going to let AI make your YouTube dream real? The choice is yours. If you still have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Remember, you don't need a camera, fancy studio, or perfect voice. You just need consistency. Let AI do the work, and you do the uploading.